Hi, my name is Arnoud Helmantel. We're here at the rAVe booth in ISE 2020, and what we're looking at here is our new EasyIP ecosystem. The Vaddio EasyIP ecosystem is an AV over IP ecosystem for small room conferencing, large room conferencing, and also for higher education. Part of this ecosystem obviously will be IP-based cameras. So this camera is a 10x optical zoom camera that will produce a 1080p 60 frames per second IP stream, which will stream into a PoE switch. So everything on this wall is PoE powered. We'll be shipping this Luxel switch as a pre-configured switch to build your own ecosystem. And in the end, you can output that ecosystem to an EasyIP decoder. So this will decode the IP stream and generate a standard USB video output out of that ecosystem. So you can use it with any software video conferencing client on the market. We will be introducing further products into this ecosystem, also an EasyIP mixer, where you can ingest up to 4 IP streams, and also an HDMI input and output to either HDMI, IP stream again, or USB output. Last component, which we'll also be launching very shortly, is a touch controller where you can switch between the camera sources using a in-room controller. Please visit us at the ISE booth at the rAVe booth, and if you're not going to be making it, you can watch our live stream on YouTube of the entire booth, and you can also go to rAVe.com for more information. Thank you.